Hello friends, hope you are doing well. If you want to have a personal responsive website on different devices, mobile, notepad, desktop, and don't have any HTML coding or web design experience yet, watch this video. If you got any issue during this video, ask me in comment section. Don't forget to do like this video and share it with your friends. Go to google.com, check in the top right corner, make sure that you see your name up here. If it doesn't, you have to sign in. And then click on apps icon, from here find out Google Sites. If you don't, go up here, type sites.google.com and do search. Here some templates are available for us. For more templates, click in Templates Gallery. And find out the website and templates that you looking for. Here personal web templates, work web templates, and education website templates are available for free cost. New Google Sites are automatically responsive for whatever device your website visitor is using on different devices, mobile, notepad, desktop. It's a multi-page website. We have different pages, home, services, about, contact, and everything is editable on Google Sites website. You can add text, image, change text color, slide image, and everything you need for your own website. Google Sites makes it easy for businesses to create secure web pages with the capacity to support intranet, team projects, or client extranets. Easy in the sense that you really do not need HTML coding or web design experience to get your Google Sites operating system up and running. With Google Sites you can use its cloud-based capability to centralize your presentations, documents, spreadsheets, slideshows, videos, and more, which is good for business collaboration requirements. Google Sites comes with Google Business Apps as a fully hosted offering. You really do not need any software to deploy or servers to maintain. All that is provided for you with Google Sites is retention of full control of your documents, and with whom you share any information is protected. Google Sites has the flexibility to work primarily with web applications. What Google Sites does best is to keep everything synced so you can access the same data from any operating platform. Google's Android-based operating system allows your business to have a uniform look and feel across the many devices you may have from multiple manufacturers, and your contacts, calendar, and other data among employees become properly synchronized. Of course, the Android platform have proven to be more flexible, reliable, and cost-effective for small businesses. And to date, there are more and more Android activations, up to 900 million activations with 48 billion apps downloaded according to a recent Google report. You may think that Apple owns the mobile market, but there is data to show that 75% of all smartphones sold are Android-based. Even more, the beauty with Google Sites operating system is that it is more open for developers to continue to create new custom applications for businesses, and the system itself works efficiently in any browser, be it a PC, Mac, or Linux computers. With Google Sites you have a full documents security controls built-in system. Your data remains secure, and Google has a commitment to respect the privacy of information placed in their systems. As such, Google Sites operating system offers end users the capacity to manage site sharing permissions across the business, and authors can share and revoke file access at any time that help keep information safe. Google Sites functionality with system and site-level security controls is a Google security objective is made whole by a multi-layered security strategy that provides controls at multiple levels of data storage, access, and transfer. Google values the privacy, confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data, which is key for business sustainability and growth. After you completed editing on the site and added your all website detail, go publish it. On next video we are going to custom domain, and manage who can view the site. So goodbye for now, see you on next video.